Importance of technology in education. Hello and welcome to my channel. We need technology in every classroom and in every student and teacher's hand, because it is the pen and paper of our time, and it is the lens through which we experience much of our world. David Warlick technology is all around us and is a part of our everyday lives. Using technology in education opens up new ways for students to grow as whole new person. Technology makes learning more fun and interesting. We are still in the early stages of using technology to improve education, so the options are still wide open. Consider the factors and elements if you're creating a custom e-learning solution. Educational technology, or EdTech, uses technology to help students do better in school. It takes a systematic approach to the ways and resources of teaching. It figures out what each person needs, adapts technology to the classroom, and keeps track of student growth. It requires teachers to be honest about what their students need, so they can choose the right technology to use in the classroom and keep track of the results to see how well the changes are working. Educational technology is a fairly new field, and not all teachers are ready to start using plans that are based on technology. In this article, we will try to give an overview of the importance of technology in education. Why is technology important in schools? Students use technology outside of school, so bringing it into the classroom can make it much easier for them to learn. Technology, for example, Microsoft Office, makes it easier for teachers to do their jobs and gives them good ways to connect with their students. Tablets are being used more and more in the classroom, so students can ask questions and get answers right away. They will also become familiar with technology tools, which will be an asset to their future jobs. Technology makes it easier to get study material. Students already use technology in their daily lives, so why not use it in the classroom? Children today use their phones and tablets a lot when they're not at school, and they should be trusted to do the same while they're at school. Many people think that using a familiar tool to learn in school helps students stay interested in class. The learning environment is more dynamic than ever before. As a result, today's students learn in ways that are very different from how our educational system was originally designed. With the advancement of artificial intelligence and the rise of remote hybrid learning, the idea of the classroom is being remodeled and redefined in a number of ways to fit the evolving needs of modern digital learners. Many higher education institutions are substituting traditional resources with educational technologies to keep up with their digital learning population. We've listed why adopting a learning strategy that embraces technology in the classroom environment can improve engagement and increase student success rates. Technology helps students get ready for work. For students to do well in the workplace of the 21st century, they need to know more than just how to use some technological tools like web pages, electronic calendars, electronic whiteboards, teleconferencing, etc. By putting these apps into the regular class curriculum and other activities, educational institutes will be making sure that their students are ready to work in modern offices. And learning these skills won't be a hurdle in pitching some creative ideas. It's like learning to write in order to express your thoughts. Technology encourages teamwork and team learning. Some educational tools have different features that help people work together. For example, video conferencing systems like Zoom and Skype make it simple for your students to hold online meetings with friends from anywhere on the globe. Students can quickly share and edit projects using free online storage services like Google Drive. This makes it easier for them to work together in school and on the job. Technology easy access to information. Students can find information faster and more accurately with the help of technology. Traditional textbooks are being replaced in part by search engines and electronic books. Instead of private tutors, students can get one-on-one help through educational videos, which they can watch whenever and wherever they want, and through online courses. Your kids can learn more in the future if they know how to use these tools for continuous learning. Technology educates students on online responsibility. Digital responsibility addresses the responsible and ethical behavior we are to display when using technology tools and resources. Schools are providing this information as a means to help educate parents and students. This is not intended to be an exhaustive or recommended list. Technology makes learning more fun. Students use technology in every part of their lives outside of school. Technology can help facilitate learning more fun and interesting in the classroom. Game-based learning, GBL, is a way to teach that lets teachers give lessons through interactive games and scoreboards. Each student can learn at his or her own speed. Many people think that technology can help people learn better and remove barriers to learning that teachers may face. It makes online education, learning at a distance, and getting the latest information possible. Because each student sees this information in a different way, technology can help them do more research on harder subjects. Technology is demanded by students. Many modern children grow up knowing how to use computers and other electronic devices. When we expose kids to new concepts or topics using methods they are already familiar with, they are more likely to embrace the material and even feel emboldened to assist their friends in their learning. Technology improved critical thinking. When it comes to teaching people to think critically, technology is especially important in education. Different ways of teaching let students express themselves in their own unique ways, which leads to different solutions. In this process, they look at each piece of information with a critical eye and think about it to get the result they want. Where books and notebooks used to be, tablets, videos, and other things are now. So, students can talk to each other in a way that is most natural and easy for them. Even shy students or those who have trouble working as a team can now shine and get better results. Technology makes the connection between students and their schools. Educational technology is the use of new technologies, like software and hardware, that make it possible to teach in a modern way. So, both students and teachers have access to a lot of digital and educational resources that make it easier for them to work together and help students learn the material. This new way of thinking about education has led to changes at all levels, from elementary school to college. Putting in the effort to enhance the educational experience is directly related to the desires and needs of today's students. Students today expect to receive information in a similar format to that which they are accustomed to receiving from their favorite forms of entertainment, like social media, the internet, and video games, while they are at school. One of the main problems with the conventional approach to education is that it often repeats itself, whereas effective teaching relies on engaging visuals and engaging narratives to keep students' attention. Technology. Change the way you evaluate and keep track of progress. Teachers can keep track of how much their students are improving and give them useful feedback on their progress by evaluating their progress over time. It helps both teachers and students set and reach their goals. Performance monitoring also helps the teacher stay interested and figure out how well a course or curriculum is working by showing them trends in student data. There are already a lot of ed-tech apps in the education field, so tracking helps people figure out what works and what doesn't for the students. With the education apps, parents and teachers can keep track of the students' grades, progress, number of attempts, time spent using the app, etc., just to see how they are doing over time. This helps teachers and parents stay up to date on the learners' improvements and how they learn in general. So to sum it up, there are a lot of reasons why we should use technology in educational institutes. It'll help our kids to be prepared for progress in the digital world coming ahead of us. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like the video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.